It's so windy there. Friend, what?
It's too much, my friend.
It's too much?
Yeah.
You raise the washing clothes, yeah? But you are a scientist. Why could you just build a machine that would help you washing some clothes?
I think you are right, my friend.
Yeah, my friend, I'm always right.
Okay. Let me start thinking.
You are a scientist. Think.
Okay. I'll build a machine, my friend. I'll build it. Not this. Doing this.
This is so damn cool, my friend. Just build a machine. Yeah. Oh, wow, my friend. Are you going to wash clothes?
I'm going to wash clothes right now.
But you said that you're going to build a machine.
That is my machine, friend.
Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is an amazing machine. Let us see. Let us see.
Best machine. Yes, machine.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
That's right.
Wow. 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 Wow.
You know.
This is so cool, man. Hi, my friend. To be honest, you have done a great job.
Yeah. Now, like that. Just staying here. Waiting. What's inside.
I wanna bring my clothes too.
Very well. I'll build more of these machines.
Alright.
So that you can use it.
You're a great scientist.
Yeah.
Congratulations, bro.